My name's Cola Ren, and I'm a producer and DJ, and I just joined Teenage Engineering this last month, actually. So it's my first workshop and live set. So we're gonna focus on the Field series and the new KO2, which is a sampler. We have 4 units in total. So the TX6, the tape recorder TP7, and OP1 field, of course, and CM15, which is a condensed microphone. I'm going to talk a little bit about how this field series, why it exists. So Teenage Engineering, they have like an internal called TE sound system, which is a bunch of TE engineers and staff scattered together every once in a while and play a live set together. So there used to be like only OP1 and the OPZ and the pocket operators. So every time they do a live set, they have to bring giant mixers and a lot of the other gears. So one day they think that, our founder Jasper said, yeah, we don't want to carry all these things every time with us to the sets. So why not make a portable size mixer, and which is this one, TX6. It's probably only like a pack of cigarette size. So it's really, really handy and portable. And that's why they make this thing. So it has pretty much everything you need for a mixer, and also it's a 6 stereo audio interface. So it's 6 stereo, so 12 channel mono, which is really powerful. And so it has you can see the 6 channel mixing deck, and it has a built-in FX, and it has 2 FX. So one is insert FX, and this one is send FX. So when you turn this on, you can go to the menu, and it has all these different features you can play with. I'm gonna show, I won't get into too much of each of the features because it's a lot to explore, but I'm gonna show you a few of my favorites. So first is this the solo mode, where you can just play each track as solo, or you can mute any of the track and just play one of the other. And then there's USB mode, where you can use a USB-C cable to connect to the TP7, the tape recorder, and you can record directly from any of the instruments that you're playing through this, and then record to the TP7 and use this to play it back through the mixer. And you have tempo mode, so you can tap the tempo, or you can set the tempo and then clock and sync with any device that you're playing to match the BPM. And then there's this disc mode, which I found it also very useful. So you can plug in a USB. So anything that you record, you can directly save it to your USB. So, and there's also synth mode, which you can play the mixer as a synthesizer. I'm gonna show you this one. So you can see this can turn into the pads. you can create a pattern just on the mixer, which is super cool. And this is a sequencer. As far as I know, that the sequencer can sync to any other device with a sequencer, so it can play, you can sync together. Yes. Okay, and then we get to, and you have sample mode, which you can sample, obviously, and use it as a MIDI and Bluetooth. Tuner, it has a built-in tuner. If you play guitar or anything, it can just tell you which keys is it. And this DJ mode too, and you can use the 5 and 6 track, like mixing this 2 deck as using it as a like DJing. Use the crossfade. Also, yeah, there's plenty more to explore. So it's a very strong mixer and audio interface with really good sound quality, actually. It has, the gain can go up to 42 dB. So if you have a synthesizer that has like very like quiet output, like you can just make it a lot louder without losing the details. And also, I just found that there's like a very like a secret feature that only a few people knows, is it has a built-in game, which you press. Oh yeah, I haven't introduced the. It has an aux and a Q button here, and 2 audio output. So this is the main output where you connect to your sound, your speakers, and here's this headphone output, and another aux out. So each of the volume you can just control it independently. So yes. Oh, back to the secret feature is that when you press these 2 together and shift, you can enter this game. It's called Knock Off. So yeah, this is a brief intro about the TX6.